Hello everyone, welcome back to Tia Shardaret, California. Today I am making something very special that takes me straight back to my childhood, chili chicken. But this is not just chili chicken. We are making a healthy version with no oil that is Weight Watcher friendly, packed with lean protein but still bursting with flavor. Growing up in Kolkata, chili chicken was always a special treat. I still remember the excitement of Durga Puja shopping in Esplanade, where we would always stop by at Jimmy's kitchen for their legendary chili chicken and fried rice. And how can I forget our family outing to Kolkata Chinatown, where every meal was a feast and chili chicken was always at the center of the table. But the most special one, the one made by our beloved Chordidu, my grandma's younger sister, who always had a magical way to making it just perfect. And every time I make it at home, I remember my sister. Her all-time favorite dish is chili chicken. And you know what? Recently I ran a poll on this channel and chili chicken won over cauliflower Manchurian. That just proves how much still we love this classic dish. Now let's create those delicious memories into guilt-free twist. We are making this without a single drop of oil. Instead of deep frying, we will cook the chicken directly in a flavorful sauce, keeping it juicy and tender. Plus, I am using chicken breast, which is high in protein and low in fat, making this a perfect dish for weight loss. Let's make the sauce. To make this flavorful sauce, blend chopped ginger, garlic, tomatoes. Then add spices like salt, chili powder, coriander powder, water and rice vinegar. And then blend it into a smooth paste. Now pour this paste into a pan on low heat. Here I am using my cast iron pan. We are not using oil, so we want to cook it slowly to release the flavors. Let it cover and cook for a few minutes until the raw aroma disappears and sauce becomes thickens. Our sauce is perfectly cooked now. First step is done. Now we are going to add the chicken pieces. And mix thoroughly with the sauce. Let's cover and cook it. Now I am going to add some whole green chili. You can add splitted green chili too according to your spice level. Moving to step 3 now. While the chicken is cooking into the aromatic sauce, we will prepare a slurry. We are going to use rice flour and water and then mix it thoroughly. Our rice flour slurry is ready. Now we are going to add the dark soy sauce. And little bit of vinegar. That's it. It is ready now. Now we are moving to the final or step 4. It's time to add all the veggies in our chili chicken. We are going to add cubed onions, bell peppers or green capsicum, and the white part of the spring onions. Mix everything gently. Since we are not using any oil, we need to remember to add little bit of water every time, otherwise it will burn at the bottom. Now it's time to add the slurry mixture and you will see how the color will change slowly. This recipe is very different from the authentic one. I had to improvise it since we are not using any oil, but this is equally flavorful and delicious. Try this. Look at the color. Can you differentiate it from the authentic one? Finally, adding some finely chopped green onions and coriander leaves or cilantro. Mix it for the final time, turn off the heat, cover and let it rest for 5 minutes before serving. This part always reminds me Chordidu's special magical chili chicken. And now, look at this beauty. The chicken is so tender, each piece coated in this glossy spicy sauce that just clings to it perfectly. The steam rising carries the mouth-watering aroma of garlic, chilies, onions and other spices and herbs. It's so inviting and taking me back to my childhood. Every bite of this reminds me of my joyful childhood memory, our dining out where laughter and chili chicken were common thread. And of course, how could I not dedicate this to my sister who could eat chili chicken every single day in her dream. What's your favorite childhood food memory? Please share this in the comment section. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family. Food is more than a fuel. It's memories, stories and emotions on a plate. And with just a few simple tweaks, we can enjoy our favorite dishes while staying healthy. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay healthy and keep cooking with love.